Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create moving collage in Capcut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Capcut mobile application, and first of all we need to create photo collage. You can go to new project and then you can go to the photos menu and you can create photo collage using 9 photos. I'm just going to pick 9 photos from my gallery. I'm going to pick random photos. Okay, like this guys. I'm going to add 9 photos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and I'm going to click on collage. Okay, then here we can choose the format and the ratio as well. And I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and for the ratio, I'm just going to select this 1:1 ratio. And after that, we can click on continue. Okay, and we're going to save this photo collage. We can click on export. And after the photo collage has been exported, we're going to go back to the Capcut homepage and create a new project. Then we're going to import the exported photo. Wait, okay, this one, I'm going to add it to my project. Okay, and I'm going to change the aspect ratio, guys. I'm gonna go with, for example, this one. And I'm going to make it bigger like this, and then I'm going to create scrolling effect. We can use the keyframe feature to create scrolling effect. Select this keyframe button, and then for the first position I'm going to select this one, and for the last position I'm going to move it up like this. Okay, that's enough. And then to create the moving effect, we're going to use a video effect in Capcut. You're going to go to the effect, select video effect, and search for ripple. Okay, just like this. And then you can choose the ripple effect. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with this one, guys, ripple. Okay, then I'm going to take a look at the final result. Okay, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create moving collage in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.